Good morning, children. Today we will learn about ideas of development. Ideas means views. Development means progress. Different people have different ideas, different aspirations for development. Development is a very complex task. Wishes, aspirations of people differ from one another. As people are different, their aims, their goals, their aspirations all are different. Let us see with some of the examples how development differ from one person to another person. Take example of landless rural laborer. Landless rural laborer is a person who doesn't have land. His aim is to get a good work for the day, better wages, good school for his children, no social discrimination, and he want to become leader of his village. Let us say a prosperous farmer. He want high income, cheap labor, and he want his children to be settled in the abroad. Farmer who depends only on rain for growing his crops, he want good rain and good harvest at the end of the crop season. A rural woman from a land owning family, she want good income and her children to be well settled and developed. Urban unemployed youth, his aspiration is to get a good job with good salary, good security at his work, and want to get all the latest technology like cell phones, tabs, everything. A boy from a rich urban family, he wants to enjoy all the wealth of his parents, to use their money, to lead a very luxurious life, and he also want recognition in the society. He want to go abroad for studies. A girl from a rich urban family wants to get much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in her life. Whereas an Adivasi from mining fields, they want better life, good educational facilities, health facilities for them. A fisherman, he want a good catch of fishes for that day to earn good incomes. We can see development started for hunter gatherers nearly 2 lakh years ago. Development in agriculture started some 12,000 years ago. Industrialization started some 400 years ago. So, development is not same for each and everyone. Different people have different goals, different aspirations, different wants. So, development is a very complex task. Whose development? Development for whom? Development for one person may be a destruction for some other people. Let us see how. Let us take the example of Kudangalam nuclear power project in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. The government of India started this project, nuclear power project in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. This became one of the conflict. Government of India set up this nuclear power project in this coastal town of Fisherflock. The aim is to generate nuclear power to meet the growing needs of the country. The people in this region, they protested on the grounds of safety, security and livelihood. A long struggle has ensued. Scientists, environmentalists, social activists who has been critical of the project have stood by the people. Letters of protest are written to the government to save them from the radioactive pearl that comes from the nuclear energy and to stop the project. And they asked for looking at renewable energy and an alternate source of energy which do not disturb the safety, the security and the livelihood of the coastal area Fisherflock. From this example we can understand that development for the country is a destruction for the coastal area people who are living there for their livelihood. Let's see one more example. A vessel dumped 500 tons of liquid toxic waste into open air dumps in a city and in the surrounding sea. This happened in the city Abidjan in Ivory Coast, a country of Africa. This was dumped by a multinational dealing country which produces petroleum. The result of this dump, it produced highly toxic waste causing nausea, skin rashes, fainting, diarrhea to people who are living in the locality. After a few months, 7 persons were dead, 20 in hospital, 26,000 treated for the symptoms of poisoning. In this example, we can see development for the multinational petroleum company, but destruction for the people who are surrounding area of the place where the vessel has dumped the highly toxic waste by the company. We can say that development is a complex task. By these examples, different people have different development notions.